This video is sponsored by Kingston. Yo guys, it's Sam. I hope all of you are doing great. In this AirPods 2 update, I've got some really good news and some bad news to share with you. Sometimes it just has to be that way. If you're excited for AirPods 2, drop a like down below and of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future AirPods 2 news. But let's go ahead and jump in. So the big news in my last video was the fact that AirPods 2 were said to be launching before the end of 2018, which was huge news. With the holiday season coming up, a lot of people are looking at AirPods as a gift, and if new versions are coming out maybe now this month in December, you definitely would not want to buy the old ones if new AirPods are coming very soon. Unfortunately, after hearing that today, I do have some contrary news to report. So according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who also has a pretty good track record, but does get things wrong from time to time, more so than I think I've seen from Ice Universe on Twitter, Kuo now says that AirPods 2 will come in the first quarter of 2019. So that would be January, February, or March of 2019 is when AirPods 2 with a wireless charging case would be launching. So I think best case scenario, both of these parties are right. How would that be? Well, maybe the wireless charging case by itself is coming before the end of 2018 for AirPods. So a while back, Apple announced AirPower, and alongside AirPower, the wireless charging mat that we still don't have yet, they did confirm the existence of an AirPods wireless charging case. Not second generation AirPods inside, just a second gen case you can set down on a Qi enabled wireless charging pad, and there's a new charging indicator on the front, orange/red for when it's charging, green for when they are fully charged and ready to go. And Apple has told us that is coming before the end of 2018, and as 2018 only has about 30 days left at the time of recording this video, Apple's time is on a big crunch here. So maybe the AirPods wireless charging case will be launching before the end of 2018, while the physical new AirPods 2 bundled with the wireless charging case won't be coming until maybe February or March of 2019, sometime in that first quarter. I know it's definitely disappointing news. I was super disappointed to read this because I really did want second gen AirPods in 2018. I actually find it kind of interesting that AirPods 2 aren't out already, just because we're not hearing a ton of crazy features coming to these AirPods. The number one feature we've heard time and time again is hands-free Siri functionality. So now you have to basically double tap one of your AirPods to talk to Siri. You'll be able to do it just like you can do on your iPhone, and the AirPods will activate without you having to touch them at all. We've heard that improved sound quality, maybe with a higher price tag, and better waterproofing are coming to AirPods in the future, but it's very unclear whether or not that's going to be the second gen model or the third or fourth generation models coming in late 2019 or 2020 or 2021. So those features could be very far down the line. And as I was doing more research on AirPods 2, because I felt like there had to be something else coming, something else that I was missing, there was. Over on Twitter back during the summer during the iOS 12 beta cycle, a writer for 9to5Mac by the name of Guilherme Rambo, who's leaked a ton of future Apple products by digging around through code, they shared this screenshot. So during the iOS 12 beta cycle, I'm not sure if it's still there, but Apple added a new identifier for a variant of AirPods. And you can see right here where I'm going, the variant mentioned that they added here says something about the AirPods being white. According to this, Apple could be planning to add more colors of AirPods in the future, which is so good to hear. I mean, if you take a look at the Beats lineup, there's not just space gray headphones or black headphones. Apple's already doing this for other headphones, and although no prominent leaker has really said, yes, I've seen these AirPods in different colors, space gray AirPods, silver AirPods, gold AirPods, color matched AirPods could totally be on the way, and I'm super frustrated that I'm just hearing about this now because it makes me that much more excited for AirPods 2. But even if AirPods 2 don't launch before the end of 2019, there are still so many other cool Apple gifts that you can get somebody that's interested in technology. I actually worked with Kingston, who sponsored this video. They sent me out the new Data Traveler Bolt Duo, which is one of the coolest products and most unique products that I've ever seen. So it's a flash drive for your iPhone, but it's also a flash drive for literally any other computer. So you stick it in the lightning port of your iPhone, you can take photos directly so you don't even have to use up space on your phone, Or if you want to use this as a literal storage device, you can take any photo and video you've ever taken and transfer it super quickly and super easily over to the Bolt as well. There's a companion app that's really easy to use, and I definitely think it'll blow away anybody who you gift it to. Or if you just want to buy it for yourself, it's also super, super cool. So check it out. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Anyway, that's all I've got for you in this video. If you enjoyed watching, drop a like down below. Again, it always and seriously helps me out. And of course, hit subscribe so you do not miss out on any future Apple content. I've been Sam. Thanks again to Kingston for sponsoring today's video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.